Here is how you can make money with Craigslist by flipping items. First, I'm going to go to ChatGPT just so you can see this is random. Give me a random city. So this shows you that I have not planned this video. In USA. Okay, so we're going to be doing Denver. Okay, so Denver Craigslist. And we're going to open that up. And then you go to for sale. You go to free. So I've never seen these items before. So mattresses, I don't recommend. People often think that they have bed bugs. So use it if you want to go on a road trip or something like that for yourself, but don't use those for flipping. Free granite island top. That is a very low liquidity item. You could flip this. You probably just have to wait a very long time, but it stores flat. So you can probably just put it on the floor in your garage. Bicycles. Bicycles are in the top echelon of things to flip. I have a whole video just on flipping bicycles. I absolutely would get these, although you can see here it says that they have already been picked up. But bicycles are fantastic. Ceiling fans can work sometimes. I'm not that big of a fan of that. Get it? Tires are terrible unless there's at least 70% tread and that there's at least one pair. It's not common. People just want to buy one. This chair, that looks interesting. I would probably take that. It needs some buffing there, really. I would take that and I would list that for $30 to $40, possibly even keeping it for myself. We'll keep moving right along here. Stuff like Christmas stuff, skip that unless it happens to be the month before Christmas because seasonal items are terrible. Don't do pianos. People get tempted by that because, oh, it's so valuable. And then you find out with the cost to move a piano, nobody actually wants to come take it, and especially upright ones that are often out of tune. Printers is another one that looks tempting. It's like, oh, the printer was $500 brand new. Nobody wants a new printer. It's amazing how hard it is to sell those used unless it's an incredible one. TVs. This says that it has some lines in it. I have flipped TVs before. If they have no problems, I list them for $25 to $50 if they're an old flat screen like this. Now, baby carriages I actually like. You can hit the thing with rubbing alcohol and then flip it for $40 to $50. Cardboard boxes. Sinks can be good sometimes. I want to get something here that's just really jumps out at me as being, by the way, the further we're getting down the page, the more likely the item is already to have been picked up. Let's go check another market just again so you can see randomly how. Give me a random USA city. Okay, Austin, Texas. Austin, Texas, Craigslist free section. Okay, so Austin, Texas, and then we go to for sale, we go to free. What is free today in Austin? Vacuum cleaners. I like these. If there's no problem with them, I list them for $25 to $50. Leaf blower, I definitely like. I like them more when they work. I don't know how to repair an electric one. I don't even know what would be broken with that. I fix the gas ones all the time. Husqvarna, Homelight, and I sell those for $60 to $90. Another low liquidity item, sink faucets. It's not too much room to store those, and then you can hold on to it for a long time. It might take 3 or 4 months to sell it, but you can get $40 to $100 depending on the fixture. Trampoline, that's a very big item, but you can flip that for $50 to $70. Another TV that you could do for about $30 to $50. And then we will wrap the video up here. Dryers, if there's no problem with them and you don't mind dealing with lugging it to move it, you can flip $45 to $60. So that was Craigslist free section. Go ahead and like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.